Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix unable to load videos on iPhone. If you are experiencing issue with loading videos on your iPhone, there are several potential fixes you can try. Here's a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Number one is check internet connection. Ensure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data. Try loading a web page on Safari to confirm the connection and fix. If using Wi-Fi, restart your router and reconnect your iPhone and fix your problem. Number third, disable the Wi-Fi and fix your problem. Connect another Wi-Fi on your iPhone and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can minor software glitches. Turn off your iPhone, wait a few seconds and turn it on back. Tap on settings, little bit scroll up, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on shutdown, dragging the slider to right side and wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely turned off, turn it on back and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, applying the solution number three. Solution number three is update software. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Go to the settings, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number three is not working, applying the solution number four. Solution number four is check app updates. If the occurs within a specific app like YouTube or Netflix, make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Go to the App Store and update the app necessary. Tap on App Store, tap on profile icon of the top right corner. Simply update your apps and fix your problem. If solution number four is not working, now applying the solution number five. Solution number five is clear app cache. For apps like YouTube or Safari, clearing the cache can help. Tap on settings, little bit scroll up, tap on Safari, little bit scroll up, tap on clear history and website data and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is reset network settings. Sometimes network settings can causes issue. Go to the settings app, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode, reset network settings to confirm and fix your problem. If solution number 6 is not working, now applying the solution number 7. Solution number 7 is check storage space. Ensure your iPhone has enough storage space. Tap on settings, little bit scroll up, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. If storage is full, simply delete recently albums and fix your problem. If solution number 7 is not working, now applying the solution number 8. Solution number 8 is disable low data mode. If low data mode is enabled, it may restricted video loading. Go to the settings, tap on cellular, simply disable low power mode. If you are using Wi-Fi, tap on it, tap on blue icon. If low data mode is enabled, disable low data mode and fix your problem. If solution number 8 is not working, now applying the solution number 9. Solution number 9, disable low power mode. Tap on settings, tap on battery, low power mode disable. If enable, simply disable and fix your problem. If solution number 9 is not working, now applying the solution number 10. Solution number 10 is if the issue persists with a specific app, try deleting and reinstalling the app and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix unable to load videos on iPhone. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.